Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for all things wellness. I'm Leo M, and today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of onions. Yes, you heard it right. Those humble, tear-inducing veggies hiding in your pantry might just hold the key to unlocking a plethora of health benefits. So, grab your chopping board and let's peel back the layers of knowledge together. Fact number 1. Boosted immunity. A superhero swooping in to save the day. That's what onions do for your immune system. Packed with antioxidants like quercetin, onions act as your body's shield against harmful free radicals. These little warriors combat inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and keep those pesky sniffles at bay. So, next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for an onion instead of a tissue. Fact number 2. Healthy heart. The heart. Our body's trusty pump keeping us alive and kicking. But did you know onions play a vital role in maintaining its health? With their sulfur compounds and flavonoids, onions work wonders in lowering cholesterol levels and regulating blood pressure. They keep your ticker ticking smoothly, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, forget the apple. An onion a day might just keep the cardiologist away. Fact number 3. Improved digestion. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, digestion. Onions, with their rich fiber content, are like nature's broom, sweeping away digestive woes. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in proper digestion and preventing constipation. Plus, they're a prebiotic powerhouse, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy microbiome. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to smooth sailing. Fact number 4. Glowing skin. Who doesn't dream of radiant, glowing skin? Well, guess what? Onions can make those dreams a reality. Thanks to their potent antioxidants and vitamin C content, onions combat oxidative stress and promote collagen production. The result? Skin that's firm, supple, and youthful. So, forget expensive skincare products. The secret to a flawless complexion might just be lurking in your kitchen. Fact number 5. Weight management. Struggling to shed those extra pounds? Onions might be the missing ingredient in your weight loss journey. Low in calories and high in fiber, onions keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. They also rev up your metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently. So, add a generous serving of onions to your meals and watch those love handles disappear. Fact number 6. Bone health. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly important. And guess what? Onions can lend a helping hand in that department too. Loaded with bone-building nutrients like calcium, onions promote optimal bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. They also contain compounds that inhibit the breakdown of bones, keeping them strong and resilient. So, add onions to your shopping list and give your bones the TLC they deserve. Fact number 7. Cancer prevention. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the big C, cancer. While no single food can prevent cancer, incorporating onions into your diet may lower your risk of certain types, including colorectal and stomach cancer. Thanks to their potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, onions help neutralize cancer-causing free radicals and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. So, don't underestimate the power of these tear-inducing veggies. They might just be your strongest allies in the fight against cancer. And there you have it, folks. 7 incredible things that can happen to your body if you start eating onions more often. From boosting immunity to preventing cancer, the benefits of onions are truly remarkable. So, next time you're in the produce aisle, don't overlook these humble veggies. Your body will thank you. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Spiffy for more insightful content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep on shining bright like an onion.